Lego and storage go hand in hand. Check these out. Sure you've seen them on the shelf. Set of 7 stackable storage boxes from Wilko's. I think they're called Store It Up. And this is the set of 7. I had a set of 4, pink, purple, blue and green. They soon got used up with minifigures and other bits and pieces around the kitchen. So I got these, bigger set of 7. £3, £3. Do you know what I mean? And these are absolute peach. £3. Biggest one, 22 centimetres square. Let's get some boxes out. That's a small one. I say 8 centimetres. Really easy, clicking, dead quick. Like with any of these things, if you're going to use them for food, just wash them first before the first use, and they soon get bigger. Even use the small pink one when I'm doing my Lego for the tiny pieces. So I'm going to do a big set, Lamborghini. So yeah, £3 for 7 of these, right up to the biggest one. So good strong ones, nice fitting lids, colour coordinated, so you can use them in the microwave, freezer safe if you're going to store bits of food, dishwasher safe as well, but say just on the top shelf if you've got a dishwasher. Me, I use them for my Lego, my little bits of crafting. So £3. Wilko's, Store It Up. You can't go wrong, can you? You can't go wrong. So don't use them for cooking, just for storing, and give it a go. Catch up next time. See ya.